Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'm going to share a step-by-step procedure to recover your email. So if you're unable to log into your Gmail account or if you have forgotten your password, then this will really help you a lot. So open your favorite browser. So I'll open the Firefox and here I'll type Gmail to log in. So here I will just type Gmail and I'll hit enter, and a window will appear like this where we need to click on sign in. So it says email or phone, forgot your email. So if you've forgotten your email, then you need to click on forgot email and then you need to enter the phone number. So let's say for most of us who forget the password, so I'll type my email. So I'm just typing an email here. You don't need to type @Gmail, but I will. And here we need to click on next. Now the moment you do it, it will ask for the password and then we need to click on forgot password. Now enter the password which you remember lastly. If you know the last password, the password which you have used earlier or the password which you always use, try that password. If that works, well and good. If that doesn't, then we will try another way. And I'll click on another way. And here you need to enter the email. So if you have set the recovery email in your for that particular Gmail account, then you can enter the recovery email. This is the easiest way to recover your email. So if I remember this is my email and I've forgotten the password, but luckily if I have entered a recovery email, then you need to enter the recovery email here. All right. If you have that, well and good. If you doesn't, then click on try another way. And here it says you didn't provide enough info for Google. Be sure account is really yours. Now I will click on more tips to recover your account, and there are some very important tips which you can follow. Use a familiar device and location. So use a computer, phone, tablet where you have frequently signed in, and use the same browser like Chrome or Safari that you usually do, or be in a location where you usually sign in, like at home, at work. All right. So I'll mention this the link in the description page so that you can read it fully and it will really help you a lot. All right, you can try that and I wish you luck if you get your email. So I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial. You can leave a comment if you have successfully recovered your email, your Gmail account, if you're able to log into your Gmail login, and let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.